Hello everyone. So this is my first video on Ho'oponopono by Mona Simona. So let me first talk about Ho'oponopono. So like everybody else, I found out about Ho'oponopono from the 4 phrases that are very quite popular by Dr. Hewlin. And I was kind of using those 4 phases, and I saw a lot of changes happening in my own life. Like things were shifting really very fast for me, but they weren't that lasting, and I just felt a subtle pull towards that there's something more to this. And the kind of stories also, success stories also, when I was listening to, I felt that there was something missing in that, because most of the people were saying that it might happen, it might not happen, but it was very vague. Like if you see, what happened was, when I read the story of Dr. Hewlin, it was that he was able to cure the war of criminal patients. And when I was reading the other people's success story, some of them, or maybe not only success story, even if they had any kind of queries and all, what I heard from the teachers who were quite popular in the industry as inner work trainers, on Ho'oponopono by Dr. Hewlin, the 4 phases, was that it might happen, it might not happen, but you will feel calm and all. So there was this one story, this one teacher was sharing that, I do not want to name them properly, do not want to quote them, because I do not want any kind of copyright or any issues on this channel, on this page. But this is how I found out that day itself. So what happened was, there was this one lady who was asking this question that to one of the popular trainers on inner work, that on Ho'oponopono by Mona Simona, not Ho'oponopono by Mona Simona, but by Dr. Hewlin, that she was practicing the 4 phases, and she saw changes in her husband, who was the usual drunkard, or he used to drink and create a lot of nonsense in the house. And she was asking that why, after 6 months of doing Ho'oponopono continuously, 4 phrases, he's not changing yet. Like he changed a little bit, but he started doing whatever he was doing, and she was practicing the other exercises of gratitude, of self-concept also. So then this lady said that we cannot the person who is the trainer and all, she said that we cannot guarantee you whether he will quit the drinking or not, but what we can guarantee you is that you will not feel affected by it. This is what she said. And then one more story that I was reading from the same trainer was that there was this one girl who was asking that I feel really very insecure when other girls try to talk to my boyfriend and all. So this trainer, she said that her I think her friend or someone who was having the same issue, that her boyfriend somehow used to attract a lot of girls. So what she did was, she was doing Ho'oponopono 4 phases, and suddenly the girls used to disappear. So what I found was, in certain cases Ho'oponopono was working, in certain cases it wasn't working, and I was finding random information on Ho'oponopono from different teachers who are teaching Ho'oponopono, quite popular teachers, and some of them are having good amount of following also. Some of them are going for a podcast and all too. And then I had some other teachers, like some of the mini teachers also, who have a good following, but I did not find the the depth of the teaching. Like I felt that something is missing, and I just went asking this. And let me tell you, during that time, I was actually, it was one of my